Hello, my friends. Today I want to share how I relax after work. After a long, busy day, I feel tired. My body feels heavy. My mind feels full. So I don't go home right away. I want to slow down. I want to feel quiet. I walk outside. The sun is still up, but softer now. Not too hot, not too bright. Just right. I walk slowly down the street. I don't rush. I don't look at my phone. I just walk. I hear the birds in the trees. I hear cars in the distance, but it's not loud. Everything feels soft. I pass by a little bakery. It smells sweet, like warm bread. I smile, but I keep walking. I see an old woman sitting outside her shop. She waves at me. I wave back. I see a boy with a red balloon. He holds it tight and laughs. His father walks beside him. They look happy. Then I reach the park. It's quiet but not empty. Some children are playing. Some old people are talking. Some people are walking their dogs. I find a bench under a tree. I sit down. I don't talk. I don't think too much. I just sit. I feel the wind on my face. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. In and out. My heart slows down. My body feels lighter. My head feels clear. I watch the people in the park. A little girl is blowing bubbles. An old man is feeding the birds. Two friends are walking and talking. And me, I sit in silence. No phone, no messages, no work. Just me in this moment. I tell myself, you worked hard today. Now it's time to rest. It's okay to stop. It's okay to be still. I stay there for a while, sometimes 20 minutes, sometimes more. When the sun starts to go down, I stand up slowly. I stretch. I feel calm. Then I walk home, step by step, quiet and light. My heart feels soft. This is how I relax after work, and maybe you can try it too.